Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open Messenger and update the app before recording a voice message today. Check your device settings and enable microphone permissions for Messenger so sound is captured. Restart Messenger after granting access to avoid permission errors. Sign in to the correct account and select the chat thread for your message. Confirm the recipient and any group settings before starting to record. Be aware of background noise and place the microphone 3 to 6 inches from your mouth for clearer. Open the chat and press and hold the microphone icon to record your message. Speak clearly and keep the microphone 3 to 6 inches from your mouth while recording. If you want hands-free recording, swipe up to lock the recording and continue speaking. To stop, tap the stop button or release your thumb to send the message instantly. If you change your mind, tap the cancel X to discard the recorded audio before it sends. The sent message appears as an audio bubble in the chat thread. After sending, tap an audio bubble to play or pause the voice message. Hold the audio bubble to reveal options like forward, delete, or save to files for backup. To save a message, choose Share and then Save to Files or send it to email for archiving. If recording fails, check microphone permission and app storage in settings immediately. Clear cache or reinstall Messenger if problems persist and test recording again in a new chat to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.